Hello, you guys. Welcome. I'm calling from the Netherlands, and my name is Troy. Just to give you a short brief about the SFM business. This is a digital age, and we need to be very digital. So, I would like to inspire everybody to take a look at my website, jump on board with us, and let's do some digital movements. Today I will talk about how to make a difference. How can you make a difference in this system at this moment? How can you add value to this world? Well, you could do that in different ways. By promoting something that is beneficial for yourself, but also for others. So I think the reason why I started with SFM is because it's a very nice company, and they have a lot of products that could help people in this time to go from physical working to digital working. And that's so important, because if you can make the shift, as Robert Kiyosaki said, from working for somebody, your own company, a small company, to becoming someone who could work for yourself and internationally, that's a plus. So you guys out there, doesn't matter if you choose our company or not, but it's very wise for you guys to look for something that could benefit you, but also something that you could work from your home, from your laptop, with your phone. Doesn't matter where you are. You just go out there and make massive change for a lot of people. So as you see, I'm sitting here on the beach, hanging around, looking at the water, thinking about what can I bring as value to everyone today. So my value today is an advice for everyone in the world to get online. Let's make this place a better place, and let's make it happen. All right, you guys, you take care. I'll be seeing you in my next video. So just stay safe out there, and you take care. Okay, goodbye. Bye now. Bye.